Hello Slipstream. This is a video dedicated to you. First of all, I would like to apologize for my French accent. I will do my best to be understood. So this is DPR Keygen, or the Keygen for the Red Star OS server. So here is the link, it is also in the description of the video, to download the Keygen. It is on my repo, it is open source, it's made in C, so you can download it and compile it yourself. And then you can execute the binary, and you have to give the machine ID given during the installation when the license key is being asked. So for those who don't know, what is Red Star OS? It is the official North Korean operating system. The server edition asks for license keys, so we will use it. And why this document? Well, Slipstream, when you've uploaded the Red Star OS, there was also another file, a text file, with a cool ASCII art, and inside we can read, it'd be appreciated if some reverser more skilled than me can take a look at the serial algorithm and code a keygen. So I looked up online, and no one has ever done it before, until now. For the tools I've used Binary Ninja, and from time to time Ghidra and IDEA. I did this because I don't want to go into assembly unless I run out of options. And lucky for me, I didn't have to. When you want to install Red Star OS, it gives you a machine ID and an input field for the license key. The machine ID is unique, and the license key is unique too. So you cannot input any license key inside. You have to use the only good one working with the machine ID. I think they're doing that to monitor the infrastructure, but I'm not really sure. And it also means that the keygen is already inside the Red Star OS installer. But unfortunately, it's not as easy to say that, oh, just extract it and compile it. It doesn't work this way, sadly. I had to do some research. And speaking about research, inside your text file, we can read, I believe the algo is located at 0x806A820. So I went there, and yes, there is some strange values, some interesting values. And after some research, I found out that this is MD5. But wait a minute. Is the license key just the MD5 of the machine ID? Well, yes, but actually, no. It doesn't really work this way. So let's have a look. The machine ID here is this one. And on the second line, you have an expected key. Wait a minute. What do you mean expected key? Let me explain. I've made a tool to extract the key generated inside a virtual machine, so I know the pattern of a license key. I just have to input any license key, a wrong one of course, to generate the real license key inside the virtual machine, inside the memory of the virtual machine. So I just wrote this little tool, the key extractor. It is also inside the repo of the DPR Keygen, inside the directory key extractor. It works this way. You have your virtual machine, and then you just have to use the PID of the virtual machine. Then you just execute the script with the PID. GDB will then extract the memory. Then the script will search for the license key using a pattern, and then it's just displaying the pattern. That's it. So this license key will be good with this machine. But first of all, I have to press the red button to generate the key inside the virtual machine. What else? Nothing yet. Okay, so let's sum this up. I have my machine ID, I have the expected key, and then I apply MD5 over the machine ID. And look at that. It's almost the same. It's almost green everywhere, but some bytes, not good at all. So let's have a look. What could cause those changes? After some digging, there is this loop, and for a time, I thought it was just another kind of mem copy. And then after a too long time, I've saw those values here, with the bitwise operation. So I have those four. I know it's three, but I will have to make it four to be completed after that. I have four operations on bitwise. The fourth one is this one, EDX. And actually, I'm applying the bitwise operation with 0xFF. But when you do whatever and 0xFF, it gives whatever. So this is why it's not displayed here. And so it's not a mem copy because it is changing bytes during the copy. So what I did is I took the expected key and the MD5 and I translated them into binary. And then I just took my masks, so 1F, 4F, 8F, and FF, and then I applied them under the MD5. So you can recognize here FF, then 1F, then 4F, then 8F, and then you look back FF, 1F, 4F, 8F, etc., etc. Then I apply the operations on each byte, so 1 and 1, 1 and 1, etc., etc. Then I have my result, and would you look at that? The result is the same as the expected key. So now we have the algorithm. It is just Korean MD5 or Korean message digest or whatever. It is just this. So I have to apply MD5 on my machine ID, and then I just have to loop over my real MD5, applying the masks, and that's it. So I now have my Keygen tool. I just have to give it the machine ID displayed here. It's computing the license key. I just have to input it here, and when I press the red button, it works. I can continue the installation. So now we have it. We have the tool. Okay. But now, what's next? I have a message to say. Dear North Korean Supreme Leader, the French Supreme Leader can be reached at his office, 55 rue du Faubourg Saint-Honoré, 75008, Paris, France. So if you can please just, contact some contacts and do things, political, diplomatical, whatever call you want, and give me Red Star or S4. That would be my pleasure. We can even, we can even go to a restaurant together, and maybe, oh no, you just made for this USB drive. Oh, this flash drive is mine. No, whatever. We'll see. We'll figure out something. Anyway, I would like to thank you, Slipstream. I would like to thank you for Red Star Rest to give it to us. Online, and for the challenge. It was really cool, really enjoying. I liked it a lot. I wish you a good day or whatever you want. Good. I wish it to you because it was really really fun. And maybe we'll see next time. Bye. Oh, before I go, of course, I want to make an demonstration of the tool. So I have here Red Star OS. So Red Hat 632 bits. Skip this. Hardware, I want 2 CPUs. Come on. Okay. Finish. Then I start the machine. Starting. Okay. It's here. All right. Yes. So it's booting. Let's wait a little bit. All right. So this is the machine ID. So let's compile this. All right. So it's RSS 3946FB 272080. And this is the license key. So I will first of all prove that the license key doesn't work. when it's not good, you know. I mean, blah 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 blah. There. You know, you see error everywhere. Oh. All right, let's try again. So EB16, 4509, 6510, 4C05, and 1811. It works. See? It's as simple as that. So now, RestarOS can be installed anywhere in the world. Isn't that great? Isn't that just beautiful? Anyway, thank you again, Slipstream. Have a nice day and see you next time.